in a former logging camp above the historic town of Montesano, Lake Sylvia State Park's many charms are centered around a large swimming and fishing lake that draws families to its shores all summer long. Explore the 5-mile loop trail, which rolls gently from the campground over wetlands and a small covered bridge. A walk around the lake reveals a dam that provided hydroelectric power to the logging camp in the early 1900s. Park trails connect to a network of hiking and biking trails in the surrounding 5,000-acre Montesano City Forest. Lake Sylvia State Park is a wooded 252-acre camping park with 15,000 feet of freshwater shoreline. Aside from displays of the 20th century logging gear, the lake offers abundant fishing, and the rustic charm of the park makes for an excellent day and group camping trips. The park is equipped with automated pay stations for visitors who purchase a one-day or an annual Discover Pass and boat launch permit. There is one group camp available, tents only, for groups of up to 50 people. Parking for 5 vehicles is included with your group camp rental. Additional vehicles will be charged the extra vehicle fee of $10 per night. The group camp is reservable from April 1st to September 30th. Located in Grays Harbor County on Lake Sylvia, the park offers one boat ramp. Electric but not gasoline-powered boat motors are allowed. Launching a boat at a state park requires one of the following: an annual launch permit, or an annual Discover Pass and a daily launch permit, or a one-day Discover Pass and a daily launch permit. A daily watercraft launching permit for $7 and a trailer dumping permit for $5 is available at the park. Annual permits also may be purchased at State Park headquarters in Olympia, at region offices, and at parks when staff is available. The park has 31 standard campsites, 4 partial hookup sites, 1 dump station, 3 restrooms, which includes 1 ADA, and 6 showers, which includes 4 ADA. In addition, there are 4 primitive walk-in sites and 2 primitive sites for hikers and bicyclers. Most sites will accommodate either a tent or an RV. Maximum site length is 30 feet, which are offered at limited availability. Individual campsites are reservable from April 1st through September 30th. Check-in time is at 2:30 p.m. and checkout time is at 1 p.m. Reservations can be made online or by calling 888-CAMP-OUT or 888-226-7688. concludes my brief summary of Lake Sylvia State Park. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.